Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how you can use uniform grid in WPF. So you have a uniform grid and you will set rows and columns, rows 3 and columns 3. So you have a label font size 30. So as you can see, I have a grid with 3 rows and 3 columns. If I want to change the number of columns, I can do that. So these labels are divided evenly, so each label has a space and it's uniform. So if you want to change the direction, you can change flow direction from right to left. So this is change or left to right, or you can do first column will be 3 or 4 or 6. So you have that option. You have 5 columns and first column will be 2 or 3. So this is the method how to use uniform grid in WPF.